right, Claire, it's the Advent box.
Wow!
So this year we're doing some new stuff. You're gonna make your own telescope. So you're gonna make a telescope. You're gonna make a gold, frankincense, and myrrh kit.
Is this real gold?
No, it's fool's gold. Who gave Jesus gold, frankincense, and myrrh? The wise
The
men.
wise men.
Yes, the wise men. And what might they have used to look at the stars? All right, and then we have, as always, Advent candles, right?
What's this for?
That is a wreath. To make an Advent candle wreath mask, you have the first Christmas from Superbook.
Yay!
So you got the Advent box directions pack that has the directions for all of those,
Wait, we have a
and a star chart.
Wait, this is the Little Dipper. This is the Big Dipper.
Then you can also see the path the Magi took to get to Jesus, that we think they took. And you've got Countdown to Christmas and how do they celebrate Christmas? Because we're talking about getting ready for Christmas and around the world.
Celebrate Christmas?
Yeah, so those are some things about how people celebrate Christmas around the world.
Cool.
So you've got your Countdown to Christmas wreath from Living Faith Kids. And you got your Advent calendar.
What's this?
That's a activity book. It's a seek and find. Because this Advent box, we're looking about seeking Jesus, just like the wise men sought Jesus and even traveled so far. So we're focusing on that this year with our Advent box.
Get your Advent